Everybody, I just heard a really creepy noise in my backyard, and well, not in my backyard, like behind my shed. So yeah, and it was a really creepy noise. So I gotta go and explore, guys. Gonna let it get properly dark. Bro, that noise was like extremely creepy though. It was like this grunty sound. It was like a, and it was just really creepy. So I'm in my backyard, and I let it get properly dark before we started to go and search for that creepy noise that I found or that I heard. Yeah, and it's gonna be really scary, guys. So we are walking to the back. And I am just going to walk back here and see if there's anything creepy. And it is really scary. And yeah, it's just going to be extremely scary. I heard it earlier, so it might still be back here. We're back here right now. This is really scary. Like, actually. Oh my gosh, dude. This is like extremely scary. Though, like, there's Gabby. Gabby, you gonna help us? You gonna help us search for some monsters? Cutie. Oh, and then here comes the whole crew. What are y'all doing? Wanna get eaten? Scout? I mean, Gabby is protective. Gabby, don't go in there. There might be a secret entrance to the Demogorgon lair, to the upside down. Oh man, dude, this is freaky. We're just gonna do a perimeter check like twice or something, and then we're just yeah. Dude, did you hear that? Shut up, Harper. I mean, shh. I just heard something crying. Did you hear that? What the frick? Let's go, let's go. Oh my god. What the frick was that? What the frick? I've seen this one. It's like, dude, what the heck was that? Dude, did you hear that? Dude, that was freaky.
I can't breathe.
Dude, what the frick? Dude, what was that? Bro, dude, that was insane. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. So we just went inside and did some research, and it said that it was this thing called the. Some of y'all have probably heard it, or some of y'all maybe not. But it was like this, like it was like something mixed with the goat. Comment down below if y'all know what it is. And like and subscribe for part 2. See you guys later.